Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open your browser, and if your region restricts signups, enable a trusted VPN or proxy. You need a recovery email prepared to receive verification later, so set up a secondary account beforehand. On the Gmail sign-up screen, enter your name and pick a username carefully because alternatives may be limited. Once done, choose a strong password and proceed. This establishes identity, without a phone, by relying on a recovery email and careful account choices. Once you reach verification, look for the option to skip adding a phone and choose Try Another Way if prompted. Google often offers email verification instead. Enter the recovery email you prepared and request the code, then input that code promptly. Make sure profile fields like birth date, gender, and location are filled honestly because inconsistencies trigger extra checks. Keep your browser session clean, clear cookies, or use a fresh profile if the phone prompt persists. This middle phase relies on the recovery email flow. Finish by confirming the recovery email and completing the account creation steps. You should receive a success message. Immediately sign in from a device you commonly use to establish a pattern that reduces future verification demand, and later enable two-step verification using an authenticator app rather than a phone number. If Google blocks the process, do not create multiple attempts. Wait 24 to 72 hours. Use the same IP or VPN endpoint and retry with identical details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.